Hello everyone, welcome to our Egyptian Arabic course. In this lesson we will learn how to pronounce the letters of the Arabic language. So please listen carefully. Lesson 1 or الدرس الأول. ألف ب ت ث جيم ح خ دال ذال ر زين سين شين صاد ضاد ط ظ عين غين ف قاف كاف لام ميم نون ه واو ي. And here you can say an example for every letter. ألف for أسد lion. ب for بطة duck. ت تفاحة apple. ث ثعبان snake. جيم جيش army. ح حصان horse. خ خروف sheep. دال درس lesson. ذال ذئب wolf. ر رمل sand. زين زرافة giraffe. سين سمكة fish. شين شمس sun. صاد صحراء desert. ضاد ضوء light. ط طير bird. ظ زفر nail. عين عصفور sparrow. غين غبار dust. ف فار rat. قاف قمر moon. كاف كلب dog. لام ليمون lemon. ميم مكتب office. نون نهر river. ه هرم pyramid. واو ورد flower. ي يد hand. Now you will see a letter and you can take few seconds and try to guess what the letter is. Yes, it's B. And this one? Yes, this is meme. And this one, can you pronounce it? Yes, this is kha. And this one? Yes, this is ha. That was everything. Thanks for watching.